Well, hello, geometry. So, looking at this next week coming up, there's a nice bit of instruction here through videos and a couple of notes. I've been able to change some of the actual writing I do during our videos into some actual notes so you can look at later. So, I'm going to be trying to do that more often. But then I have the practice here, like last week with the absolute value and with the solving equations. It's the same format, still practice. You can do it any number of times and get feedback, ask questions about it. I look forward to those questions. But there's also going to be a quiz upcoming this week. Now, this is going to be different than the practice because even though they're both the quiz type formats in Canvas, this is going to be only taken once. And so once you do it and you submit it, that's the only submission that you have. It does match the practice and the lessons and the work we've been doing. So do the practice, make sure you understand it well and you've worked through it and it makes sense. Ask lots of questions about it so you can help it make sense before you do the quiz. I'll be posting the quiz and making the quiz online and available on Wednesday. So you don't have to take it Wednesday. The due date is by Friday, and then the quiz closes by Monday. Once the quiz closes, I won't be able to reopen it for you guys. So do this quiz by Friday. And if you're not able to do it by Friday, make sure you're able to guarantee it to be done by Monday. Other than that, keep working on the practice. Use that discussion to ask questions, get feedback, get answers. And so the week 3 discussion is going to be up as well. And then our synchronous sessions are happening 3rd period on Wednesday and then 4th and 5th on Thursday. Thank you guys. Look forward to an awesome week with you. Make sure you ask lots of questions and I look forward to helping you out.